hello Candiners, we are open for Eastern European, Bulgarian, Romanian, Croatian to join our LPG ships, Belgium flag with more than 20,000 gross ton. Yeah, we are open for starting 6 months experiences in the rank and the LPG ships also, and you will get more wage if you have more experiences also in the same rank and the same type of the vessels. Yeah, for senior master we are paying 12,500 euro, and for the senior master you will get 13,600 euro. And for chief officer, we are paying with 9,600 euro for junior and 10,300 euro for senior. And for chief engineer, you will get 11,900 for junior and 13,000 for senior. And second engineer, you will get 9,600 for junior and 10,000 and 300 for senior. Yeah. As you know, we are open for master, chief officer, chief engineer, and second engineer, and the onboard will be as soon as possible. So if you have a very good English and has a completed document including LPG ships, basic and advanced, you can send your application to our email, or to you can put it directly to our link database, and we will send to you in this video description. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. Bye bye.